Okay, I have just bought this gorgeous little sewing table from Tails and Whiskers, and it still has all the stuff inside. So come with me and let us see what's there. Okay, up top we have some fabric. Oh, cute man. Okay, don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but hey, we still figure that out. Put that one side. And Dorcas pins. This was Oxo cubes. What's in here? I'm trying to do this with one hand. Tailor's chalk, probably. Let's do that. See if that works better. No, it's not Oxo cubes. It's Tailor's chalk. Trying to do this with one hand is tricky. So many emery boards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there's at least 8 emery boards there. How interesting. Okay, a ball of wool, some elastic. Okay, we have a zipper. Sorry, there's some loose threads here. 25 centimeter zipper. Whatchamacallit? Oh, I've been looking for one of these. It's a sewing guide. Okay, I suppose actually having it the right way around would be useful. Sewing guide. Yippee! Oh, and another emery board. And that looks like another emery board. Why so many emery boards in a sewing kit? That's interesting. Okay, then we have a whole bunch of tape measures. So there's that one there. Sorry, I'm just chucking everything one side. Hang on, let's grab that one. Seems to be on top. This is a bit like pickup sticks. That one looks real old. Still in inches. Does it have centimeters on the other side? Let's see. Yes, it does, but really, really old. And then we have the yellow one. Okay, get that out of there. We have a tracing wheel. Now, I'll try and get the thread off it. Honestly, have not used one of those since high school. Teeny tiny crochet hook. Oh, press stick. Blob of press stick. Oh, that looks like, what is this? Cotton tape. Oh, I think that's the sort of thing you put, well, I would usually use that on the inside of skirts to hang on a hanger. It's another little teeny tiny crochet hook. My goodness. What size are these? It just says more word. I have a size. Size 24 or 6. Sorry, and it's probably not showing on that. And this one's a 125 mil. Let's go like that. Come on. Focus. 125 mil. Okay. A couple of curtain jobbies. Some button, or a button. There's a couple of other buttons. A ribbon. Some elastic. Some cotton. It looks different. What is this? Chain cotton. Certainly thicker than regular sewing cotton, almost like top stitching cotton. Alright. A skewer. Oh, that's probably for turning things through. MSC Cruises sewing kit. Go on, let's see what's in there. Can I open it? Can I open it? Is there anything in there? Oh, there's actually some cotton and stuff in there. Oh, and another tape measure in inches. Hooks and eyes. Tracing pen. More cotton. Sponge with some needles in it. Some more cotton. Needles are these. Universal needles. 8012. 8012? That's interesting. Okay. This looks like a darning needle of sorts. If I can get it out. My left hand is not my best hand. Oh, it's a squiff needle. So it's not straight. Whether it was designed that way or not is another story. And quite a lengthy needle. There's a bobbin as well. Bank bags. Little applique flower jobbies. Come on, focus. Focus. And that's mainly it for the top portion. So if I close that. Oh, hang on. Oh, hang on a second. Trying to do this with one hand has been tricky. Okay, all right, here we have, that's crochet cotton. I'll put that on top. We have another 25 centimeter zipper and curtain jobbies. And ooh, this feels like shower curtain fabric. I suppose you could probably make waterproofs out of it as well. Shoulder pads. The 80s have called. They would like their shoulder pads back. You're welcome to them. And then some patterns. Now let's see what we have here. Fast and easy. Butterick. 5221. 16 Rand 99. Considering these are between 100 and 150 Rand nowadays, that gives you an idea of the of inflation since then and how old this is. This is also, okay, this is a Butterick blouse pattern. Very nice. We have a very Vogue pattern. Those were the days. Then McCall's dress pattern. Then another McCall's pattern here. Alrighty, then we have some, feels like net curtaining. And some more of this peculiar waterproof shower curtain stuff. And another emery board. And do I see another one? Yes, yet another emery board. And another one of these sort of darning needle jobs. Bit of anglaise trim. We have a Cote d'Or pastilles. Now let's see what's in it. What's in it? Ah, another. Oops. Hang on, I got need to balance this in such a way that it doesn't fall over. There we go. Okay, so we have more needles, more like darning needles. This looks like pins. Yep. Another tape measure, some small scissors, and a thimble. Oh, check that out. There, that is like a classic. Focus, come on. Okay. And some more cotton. I don't know what that's supposed to be. A bit of cotton thread. And a pencil with a lid on it. Can I do this with one hand? No, not really. Okay, just a little pencil there. Okay, let's move that out the way. See what else is in here. What is this? This is a... What do they call this? I have no idea. Okay, let's see. Who can tell me what this thing is? Almost like a stitch counter of sorts. Well, that's the first thing that came to my mind. But it's not in English. I shall have to do a bit more research into that. What fun. Oh, some more piece of cotton. That looks like carbon paper. Yes. Black image writing carbon. My lordy. Okay, some leftover elastic. That looks, I was going to say that's another tape measure, but it's not. It looks like name tags. Okay. An empty thing that's probably what the curtain jobbies came in. Yes, like that one there. And what? We have a safety pin down there. And what is this? This is, oh, Professional Dressmakers Carbon. Oh, good golly, Miss Molly. Yeah, 59 cents for a page. For this set. How much is in here? Oh, there's carbon and there's some. Oh, it's in different colors as well. It's not just the black. Oh, and look, another emery board. Well, how much fun was that? Tell me which of these items you found to be the most interesting or intriguing, or that you would have questions about.